Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to zoom in on something like really zoom in on there. For instance, I want to highlight the sky. So I'm just going to go to library and I'm going to find like a color of like highlight that I want. I'm just going to use this like pink. You can use obviously the blue for sky. Actually, I might just do this real quick. Here, canvas color. I want like this blue kind of sky. And I'm just going to export still frame here. Make sure you import the project. Local, I'm going to just grab that, go to mask, and I'll just select rectangle, and I'm just going to highlight sky. And I'm just going to go to basic and I'll just adjust the opacity here. And I'm going to do that to all of the pictures that I have with the word sky. You have to get one word that you want to use. So I'll be right back to do that. Okay, you also need to make sure that like it's all the same size and the same like spot. So what I did is I placed this, for instance, on top of a picture. I'm just going to adjust the opacity and I'm just going to make this one a little bit bigger. And I'm just going to place it here. And then I just place it to the right side, adjusted the opacity back, and I added the highlight. Also make sure your pictures are in a better quality than this. This is just an example, of course, because it surely will look better not like this. Adjust the opacity and make sure your clips are actually supposed to be around 30 seconds. Sorry, like half a minute, half a second long. So make sure they're a little bit smaller. You can edit it in settings before this. But that is it. That's not even like short enough. So make it like super short. So maybe like this. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!